I've just split my pins. If I had a pin splitter proper, it would have gone much faster. If I'd been doing it regularly, the neutral that was really dinged up wouldn't have been so hard to do. So if you do it regularly and you do it consistently, it takes minutes. It's actually something you can totally do while you're hanging your lights and circuiting your lights. It doesn't have to be something that you have to have extra time and labor to do. This is daily routine maintenance and fits nice and snug. And I'm pulling on it and it's not coming out because the pins have been spread. You need to spread those pins. If you spread them too much, then it's hard to get in and out. A little bit of working it out. And if I had that proper pin spreader that also had the brush to clean off the pins and to take off some of the corrosion, that would help make them slide in and out easier too. I suppose you could probably get a battery terminal cleaning brush, but that's a little bit big for the posts for your car battery to get in on top of these two pins that are next to each other. But it would do much the same purpose, or any wire brush, small wire brush, but good to go. Love it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more technical theater content.